So guys, I want us to discuss indaba Duma Ndlovu. I believe we are all well aware who Duma Ndlovu is. He's a world-renowned playwright and TV series producer. Duma Ndlovu is popular for producing TV shows like Umubango, My Brother's Keeper, Sibongile Dlaminizi, and the recent one as well, Umujaj. So there has been quite a lot of things happening in his life. I mean, it started all last year when we got to know Uguti. He's having some financial woes. In fact, he was given 100,000 rand bail last year in October because of he failed to actually release tax act in terms of how is he contributing to tax for corporate tax, personal tax as well as VAT. It wasn't only him; it was him and his business partners or accountants as well. He alone was given bill 100,000 rand. This was last year in October. He failed to produce some records, not just for last year, but over the years, amounting to an amount of 25 million rands. Whoa! Hectic, 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 hectic. So, what was the result of all of this? His personal assets and bank accounts were frozen, right? But I mean, we all thought it was no, man. It's Duma Ndlovu, so most probably everything is gonna go smoothly. My Brother's Keeper, they're gonna continue shooting and all of that. Can't know what happened immediately after that. Umathe Choice is canning all of his shows. My Brother's Keeper, wavalwa, Umkhokha, wavalwa. Sibongile Dlaminizi is actually right now airing one of these last few episodes asele in this final season. Izinto zakhe ziyabhimba. Now his recent thing that just happened, it is there are loggerheads between himself and Uchiko Twala. Uchiko Twala, as we do know him, he has been the musical producer on most of these shows in terms of producing the background music, the title music, and all of that in all of the shows that we got the producer Yena Duma Ndlovu. Now, Uchiko Twala has a bit of farmer properties that he owns. Awak. Wawarentisa kubani kuyena ubaba uDuma Ndlovu, and they had a deal. Now, my guy, I'm gonna rent you this mansion for you to actually film for My Brother's Keeper. You're gonna be paying so much, rent malini and electricity and all of that. And they're like, okay, cool, yeah, I'm gonna do it, no problem. But now here's the thing. uDuma Ndlovu fell behind in terms of payments. 5 months behind. And this one time, but figure abantu shooter for My Brother's Keeper, the property is locked. The padlocks everywhere and the security guards and whatnot, and they say they can't enter the premises. And they're like, how? But why? And then the guy's like, our employer, which is Chiko Twala, told us that we must not let anyone come in. Only for the cast and the crew members to realize, hey, there's actually a bit of a situation here. Our boss Duma Ndlovu is owing Uchiko Twala so much amount of money for such a long time without even actually paying it. Why? Because his accounts, bank accounts and assets and what of that, it's been frozen because of this whole court case here, tax evasion amounting to an amount of 25 million rands. But here in all of this, Duma Ndlovu was able to call a favor from a friend who actually paid Uchiko Twala the amount that was in arrears. And the film crew and the cast were able to enter the premises and continue filming My Brother's Keeper. My Brother's Keeper na phela, I think on 20, if not 21 of April next month. So that's what has been happening in terms of Duma Ndlovu. The case is ongoing. I think it's going to be appearing again next month. I think it's going to be the 25th or something. I'm not quite sure where did it all go wrong after so many years being in the industry, after so many years handling such finances for people. Like, he has built himself quite a name in the industry, in the film and television industry as a whole. So I'm not quite sure what exactly happened. But this is the story, guys, of what's happening with Duma Ndlovu and the reason behind why all these shows actually cancelled. Because I was actually wondering myself, Umkhokha is being cancelled. I mean, Umkhokha has been doing very well. My Brother's Keeper, I believe, has been doing very well. Now, Sibongile Dlaminizi, only to find kuyabhimba. So we're gonna chat about the case as it progresses. It's still a developing story, guys. It's not yet finished. Thank you so much for coming through, Bafethu. Do not forget to subscribe.